What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be simple, nothing crazy. We're going to be changing out the fenders on Goliath. Not too long ago, my ball joint gave out, the car dropped, messed up the whole fender. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So there's some damage on there, so I'm going to change those fenders out. It's going to be black for now. I'm probably just going to end up plastic dipping them black. This side is still fine, but I'm not going to have one black fender and one gray, so I'm going to just replace both fenders. And then I'm going to plastic dip everything. I'll probably plastic dip the hood as well, so everything looks one solid color. And for today only, we're just changing out the fenders, and then later down the road I'll get into painting. But for anybody that's watching, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, tap that notification button. There's going to be another car that's going to be coming on this channel soon, so keep an eye out for that. Swapping out fenders, very simple. You're gonna have bolts going down through here, then you'll have one here, you'll have one down there. If you have the fender liner on, then you'll probably have a fender liner here with extra clips. Might have one back here as well, and then normally you'll probably have one something here, a clip to take off. In my case, I have the little quick releases, so it'll make my life easier. But that's really about it. Nothing crazy. Swapping out fenders. But I'm just going ahead and swap both of them out real quick, and then we'll see how the car looks. Alright guys, so we got the fenders off, got the new ones on the floor. This side is off as well. New fender on the floor. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the installs, just the reverse of the removal. So I'm going to put these on and show you guys how it looks. And of course guys, my luck, I didn't notice this till now. The fender came bent, which really sucks. For the meantime, I'm going to try to bend that out, try to make it look as best as possible, and I'm going to have to put it on anyways. For the most part, driver's side's done. Looks real clean. And let's see what I could do with the other side. So the fenders are officially on. It doesn't look too terrible from far away. Try to bend that out as much as I could, but I'm gonna just rock it like this for now. But both fenders are on and pretty much good to go. And this is how it looks with the hood closed. It's actually not too bad. It actually looks pretty good. But now you guys can see why I want to paint the hood and the fenders plastic dip them black, so it doesn't look all discolored. But there you guys have it. Just a quick video on how to install fenders. Nothing too crazy, but I'll catch you guys on the next.